Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How y'all doing today? Today is such an exciting day. I'm so excited. Today is denim. I'm gonna have a lot of denim days. I posted a picture. Hopefully by now the picture would have gone up in my community post, and let me know what you think of about how many boxes. Basically, I am doing a what would I say? An anti-scam coach haul. I'm like, I'm not gonna get scammed on these denims. No, I'm not. Although I'm like, no way. I live for denim. Y'all know how much I like denim. You peek here and you can see probably. I'll do an angle out, and so that y'all can see a little bit of here of my Junie denims down here. I have some Tory Burch and some Marc Jacobs up there. I have some other vintage Coach, and I do have a heart bag over here from I unboxed it in my denim drop series. It is from why can't I remember her name? Betsy Johnson. That was my first piece from Betsy Johnson. And over here is all my greens, so I don't have my denims up here, but they're all over here. There's still a few on the tree right here. So this, I'm sure y'all already seen the title, the thumbnail, all that fun stuff. It is a quilted denim, but in the 20, yes. So then I can compare the 20 with the quilted tabby, the quilted wristlet that I have, that I got in the chalk. It doesn't look like they're gonna be coming out with a Coach black and gold in the 20. So in the wristlet. So I have to decide if I want if I want it in the 26 or if I want a denim in the 26. I don't know. But let's see. Let me make sure my address is covered so y'all can see how it came. So this one came from Nordstrom. It popped up in the middle of the night, so I was stalking the site, and I was like, as soon as I saw it, I bought it. Didn't even think about it, didn't even hesitate, nothing. And I'm super excited. I saw John unbox for 26, and okay, Bean Beauties, confession time. I look up there because it's up there. I knew I had a tabby that I hadn't shown y'all, and I hadn't used either, that I bought last year. It's a red tabby, just the regular tabby. And I had gotten sick and everything, so I really wasn't using bags, but I had bought it. I don't know if I got it on sale. I don't really remember at this time. I probably did. Actually, I don't know. Don't know. I can tell you when I show you, whenever I get to showing you that one. And it's a 26. So I have a 26 to measure off of. So this is the 20. Oh, look at that. Lucky. It is beautiful. Do we match? Do we match a little bit? I got dressed up for the occasion, brought all my blues out, brought all my denims out. I am going to open all of this up. I still have the denim 26 that I purchased from Neiman Marcus, but by the time I got my order in, they were on back order to June the 26th. So I don't know if that's when the next drop is coming or what. I don't know, but that's when that is. And I did have an opportunity to pick one up from the because it sold out. The 26 sold out online, and I did have the opportunity to pick one up at one of the local I think from the Houston store. They're all over me now. Let me tell you, they are all over me now. They're like sending me stuff and everything because I've bought a lot of denim. And I went ahead and declined it because I told them that I wasn't sure about the size, and that was before I realized I had the 26 to measure off of. And I already had the 20, and I like to stick to smaller purses. You know, I kind of explained the situation to him, and I told him, I said, I have one through Neiman Marcus, so, and I told him, I said, I don't want to get it and then feel like I can't return it to y'all, or it goes against your commission or whatever, you know, whatever they get. This is hard to open. You know, I didn't want to do that, and because I told him, I said, the other bags that I bought from them, I said, you know, I'm keeping. It's here. It's all very well packaged, very well packaged. So this came from the Coach to Neiman Marcus. So this, you know, we don't get a little pretty box or anything off of this one. But so the struggle, okay, there we go. I don't know what I was watching, but it was like how they, you know, when they make, how they make stuff, how they make handbags. So all of this is on the chain before they assemble it. So that's why it's so tough to get in and out of off of these. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Am I playing? Let's do this first. Let me do this. I'm 5'4.5", 5'5", 262 pounds, no longer 312 pounds. Yeah. So here it comes to here on me, and I put it on this side. If you want it here on the side, I normally carry my bags here towards the front. There we go. Towards the front here is where I normally carry mine. So it's really just a tad short from where I normally like it. I like it just like to come, the top to come down here to where it's comfortable and I don't get a lot of boob action, but it's a small chain, so I think it should be okay. Oh, I didn't try it with the shoulder. Hold on a second. And here's the shoulder. What it looks like. Short shoulder. So on the short shoulder with this dress. Uh-oh. And here it is with the long shoulder. But I don't know, I won't wear it on a shoulder like that because it will fall. Let me go see, I have a delivery. I am expecting a fabulous bag. So this is the 20. I do have the wristlet. I brought out the wristlet so I can kind of compare the sizes of the wristlet against this one. I am sure y'all have seen 1001, but you haven't seen them from me. Here is the packaging here. Here's the pocket here in the front, and it has some more packaging from the front, packaging from the back, and the desk bag. Authentic patch here. Yes, there is, because you know I got it from a reputable dealer. So it has two pockets in here. It has this back pocket here, has this front pocket here, and it has a back pocket here. So we're all pocketed up. It also has it protected in the back pocket. So plenty of places to put your things. Now I do have my cell phone cover. So I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's see if it fits in the back. Long ways. It does not. And no, it's not. You'll have problems. I mean, you can put it there kind of quick like, but it'll fall out when you're walking, because it's only that much is in the pocket. But let's see if it fits in this pocket. And it should, because it fits in the Quilted Tabby, the wristlet. So here it fits in the back. There it goes right there. And then here it fits in the front, as well in the front pocket right here. But I don't believe it's going to fit in the flat pocket. Oh, it'll be a tight fit. Oh, there, it'll fit. So maybe as it loosens up, I could put it in there. But I probably most likely won't. I probably kind of put maybe an SLGs or something in there, because yeah, I need to be able to access it quickly and easily. It has the magnetic. Yeah, it has a magnetic closure right there. It is so pretty, and it is soft, very soft. It feels very durable. Here's the bottom, the quilting on the bottom. I didn't do a 360. So I probably would put it here in the front, is where I would keep my phone, in the front. So then when I open this up, it'd be easy to pull out. They look like they're about the same size. The pockets look like they're about the same size. I think I might put it in the back. It feels like there's a little bit more room, and it'd be quicker, because I don't get very many calls, and when I get a call, I need to get it quickly, if it's, you know, the husband or the kids or grandkids and stuff, you know. So that's why I'm always worried about accessing it easily. So I would probably keep it back here and save this to put other stuff. I'll try to do what fits with this one, and kind of in a different video. Here's your front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Look at that nice, beautiful quilting. Here is the top. Look at that. Some nice, pretty quilting, nice and soft. I love denim. I have loved denim all my life. And it's just one of those things that I like. That I like, as y'all can tell, But this is the Quilted Tabby 20, and I'll do a comparison against the here against the wristlet, because I have the wristlet. If you haven't seen my video on the wristlet, go to my playlist and you'll see it under there. It'll be under the collabs, and it also will be under Coach, because I did a collab with Yota Styles, and we both got the same bag. We both got the same bag, but she got the 26 and I got the wristlet. And here, see, here is the different sizes. Here is the bottom. So you have just a little bit of a difference here. And can y'all see? Does that give you an idea? There. Try to put it. I know I'm like, I don't want to get transferred, but one little bump isn't gonna hurt. Let me do it back to back, because that'll probably give it there. So it's just a teeny tiny bit bigger, longer. And it is, but to me, it's substantially wider. So you'll be able to fit more than what I fit in here, I believe, because it gave you just a little bit of a, you know, it's a little bit of snug fit. I did do a what fits in the Quilted Tabby. This is my new favorite silhouette. It really, really is. But Right now they only have the purple and a pink, a lavender. They have a purple, lavender, and a light pink. And I really, and then they have the black silk with the silver, but I want the black with the gold. So maybe down the line if I change my mind, but the white, the chalk is fine. I would love, I wanted this in a wristlet, but they didn't have it. So I think this is the next best thing. I hope that y'all enjoy this unboxing, and I have many more to come. Too many more. Go into my my community post and go see the picture that I posted of how many Coach boxes that I have to unbox. Yes, so I will have, I'm not sure when I'll have this up, but I do have a special unboxing that I am going to be doing of one of my Coach denim bags that I will be unboxing with Caleb Snell when I have him on my live on Thursday, March the 7th at 6:30. So hopefully this video goes up before then. If not, well, go back and watch it, okay? All right, Bean Beauties, thank you very much. I still have stickers and magnets left, a few magnets and plenty of stickers left. So if y'all are wanting any, go ahead and send me a message in my Instagram at beanbeautybagsit or my email at beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. Everything's in the description box if you don't get to write it down, and go check it out, and I will mail you for free. You don't have to pay shipping. It's just my way of saying thank you to all my viewers, whether you are subscribed or not. Of course, you know, as any YouTube would say, please subscribe, comment, and like, as it helps my channel grow. But if you don't do any of those things and you still would like a magnet and stickers, I would be more than honored to send you one. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.